Hey guys, welcome back to Horsepower Warehouse. Good morning. It may be only December 11th, but it looks like someone was good this year. It wasn't me, but it looks like Santa actually brought something for someone a little bit early. And that is in the form of this absolutely awesome crate that we have here. And if you can't tell by the side insignia, that's what we're working with here, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up over here on the side, and we're gonna do a uncrating for you, and I'm gonna walk you through exactly what's included when you purchase a Hellcrate motor, in addition to the Mopar engine controller setup and some of the additional accessories that are necessary to put one of those into something like this. So stay tuned, guys. Nice intake elbow there. Sensors. We have box with a module here, CAN bus interface device, and our ECU. Direct from Mopar Performance, designed for this application. And here's how it comes, guys. It's continuing to make progress, but this is how it's wrapped up. It looks like we have some additional boxes down in the bottom there. By the way, big shout out to these guys, Modern Muscle Performance, Modern Muscle Extreme, and shout out to this guy here, specifically Junior. If you guys want someone to put one of these in for you, we can get it done. Nice distribution block, all weather tight. It looks like one big weather pack connector. I really like this. Take a peek at some of the harness that's included here. Everything is labeled. Battery, ground, fuel module, SC out, T-mount.
good.
All forward.
Have some more.
It's pretty.
It is.
It's a big motor. I mean, that's a tall intake. When you look at the Hellcrate versus your standard Gen 3 Hemi over here, of course we have a oil pan on top, but a lot different looking of a package. The only issue that we may have with this is on the firewall, the output for an input for the intercooler lines, and then this temperature sender. They do make a lower profile billet set of adapters that go here. They're around $500, but we'll see if we can fit it in. It's been done before with this factory piece, so we're gonna go ahead and attempt it and see how much room we have with the motor mounts that we've got. It looks like in these boxes we have the alternator, more than likely the AC compressor, everything else to complete the front runner assembly that we're going to need here to put this guy in. Big thumbs up. Modern Muscle Extreme come through for us. This looks awesome. I absolutely look forward to getting it into this guy. And stay tuned. And please like, subscribe, and look at my other videos for this build and some awesome car reviews that I do. And I'm going to keep walking you guys through the process and keeping you informed. So until then, take care.